Want to know how to browse for posts in the Boo app? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and I'll learn in a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Boo application, and once you've done that, you should be provided with this interface right here. So on the bottom, you should be seeing various navigation bars. So once you're selected, see in this navigation bar right below or beside create, you should be seeing something known as universes. So again, this will be selected. And now once you have selected universe, here you should be seeing various posts and stuff that you see from people. So again, this will be see. You can simply explore by selecting explore right here as well. Your following, friends, and much more posts right here. So you can also add story by selecting add story right here. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.